Alright folks, this is 716 San Joaquin bound train. Final destination of that train, Bakersfield. Now departing Oakland Atlanta Square Station, street running with the MPCU leading off. MPCU 90218. PHI 2012. Man, look at that train, ladies and gentlemen, to Bakersfield, and this train was diverted over to the left track once it gets down there towards the Oakland yard. I'm Marcel Hall. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe this video to your friends and your colleagues. Thank you. Have a good one. Bye-bye.